Hey, Max is my name. Welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are going to look at how to make money coming up with business names. Okay, this will really work for you if you're very creative. You can come up with those fancy business names, or you can be able to research and come up with very good business name, slogans, and domain names for different kind of businesses. Okay, let's go straight to the website that we are going to be reviewing today. The website is called namingforce.com. okay, now namingforce.com is a site that big brands use to generate names that they will use as their name in the market. Okay, now for you, how do you come in? You come in that you take part by coming up with some of these names. Okay, so now look at this one here. We are a team of 3 UK based in northern Sweden who help businesses in northern Sweden connect with British businesses and vice versa. So they're trying to come up with a name. Their original name was British Vikings, but in Sweden it has a little bit of connotation, so they are looking for something short and snappy to make their new business name. As you can see, there are very many examples that are given have something to do with British. Okay, Britably, British Pipeline, Britcon, Brit Matrix, Britsui, British Connexus. Okay, something like that. Yeah, so now for you to become a namer or to participate in naming, of course you have to sign up and become a namer. Okay, usually of course they ask the usual basic things: your name, your email. Yeah, see, your name, email. Are you a client or a namer? But most likely you'll have to go with that option. Okay, so after signing in, you'd have to of course go ahead and try to take part in the very many competitions that are available right there. So let's just click on the start a contest. Okay, now if you want this company to generate your name, this would be the prices. Okay, they have a budget which is the lowest price point. You have standard, which is the middle point, then premium. Yeah, here for the winner of this particular category under this budget, you're given $100. That's why you can earn between $100 and $500, but that name is picked out of 500 plus names, whereas the standard pay point, you can earn up to $250, but the names are picked out of 800 plus names. So is the case at premium. $500 you can earn 1,000 plus names, and these are the conditions. Of course, if it's you requesting for a name, you'll have to, these are the amounts you'll have to pay to generate such results. Okay, now let's just see some of the examples that are right now on the website that people have attempted, people have done, and some are still in the process. If you want to participate, you can go ahead and participate. See this one here, you can sign in and view the description. It's only 1 day left, but the price point is $500. Okay, same the case here, $500, $100 right there. And then yes, these are also the others in the pipeline. Okay, let's say if we click there on business consulting service, yeah, then we can see the names that have been submitted. Yeah, Okay, of course the first example we looked at in the beginning, but you see those are the names that have been submitted. So in case you're not so witty and want to come up with some of these domain names and maybe business names, what can you do to do that? Right, here we are at Getsocio.com. Okay, one of the resources that I told you that would have to make use of to generate some cool slogan names. So now I've just typed in okay, now here I am at Getsocio.com, one of the resources that I'd advise you that I'm going to show you that you can use to come up with slogans and possibly catchy phrases for that business. So now here I'm at this site and I've just typed in Street Smart and I've generated interesting slogans. Okay, as you can see here, there's Street Smart moments, nothing faster than Street Smart, only the crumbliest, flakiest Street Smart. I like the Street Smart in you. This is actually really cool. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, your flexible Street Smart for life. Okay, interesting. Go get Street Smart. Okay, so now yes, as you can see, some of the slogans that have come up are quite interesting. And this is another resource, okay, slogangenerator.com. okay, make a slogan, just type in and let's see what it gives us. Okay, looks like you'll have to first sign up. Okay, so you just sign up and then generate those slogans. Okay, just let's see how we can get around it. Yeah, but you get the point, eh? Just get it in there, sign up and then generate. Yeah, so using this okay, they have given us something. Street Smart, you got a friend in the business. Okay, just have given us one and they're telling us to add to an extension to get more. As you can see, guys, you can make up to $500 just coming up with cool names for businesses, right? Okay, but if you want to make multiple sources, once you want to make money from multiple sources, yeah, I have my most recommended resource just below in the description. Click on it, sign up and see how you can earn yourself exponentially growing incomes from multiple sources. And as usual, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.